Good morning, traders, and welcome to the daily call today, Friday, the 15th of March. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, what's happened in the overnight markets? There was no data release itself, but the Brexit saga continues. What we know so far is, one, that the UK MPs have rejected Prime Minister May's Brexit deal. Two, the EU is firm that the deal they agreed upon with May is the only deal on the table. And three, UK MPs have also voted against leaving the EU with a no-deal situation. So in effect, what we have is a stalemate. This morning in the UK Parliament, MPs voted again, but this time they voted for a delay, and that was passed through. So essentially they're voting to delay everything. This will give an opportunity to Prime Minister May to go back to the EU and try and renegotiate all over again. So let's see what happens with this one. The reason for the delay is that the Brexit had to happen by the 29th of March, and we need to see what happened. The worst case scenario is that the Brexit will take place with no deal situation, which is the worst case for the UK. And of course, that's what they do not want. So they want to buy more time to renegotiate and see if it can become a smoother exit from the European Union. Okay, so there you have it. That's what's happened overnight. Let us now have a look at our chart of the day. The chart that I have found this morning is it's the NZD CHF on a 4-hour time frame, and what we can see from this one, it's a rising wedge, slightly rising wedge. We've had a couple of touches on both sides of the wedge. We have 1, 2, 3 up on the top side, 1, 2, 3 on the bottom side, and we are heading towards the bottom side again. I have marked out the hot zone over here. So what I would like to see is I would like to see the market move towards us into this hot zone. When we're in the hot zone, I would like to produce a nice price action reversal pattern, and once I've got that, that's my confirmation, and I would be more than happy to go ahead and take this one. Now remember, it is a 4-hour chart, so this trade may develop throughout later throughout later part of the session today. Okay, NZD CHF 4-hour is our chart of the day this morning. Okay, what's happening in the session which is about to kick off? We have tentatively from Japan their monetary policy statement and their press conference. There's no scheduled time for that one, so keep an eye out on that, specifically any JPY traders. And then at 7:55 p.m. this evening from Japan again, Mr. Kuroda will be speaking for the Bank of Japan. That's all that's scheduled on the card today, guys. As always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you'll have a fantastic trading day. Have a great weekend, and I will speak to you on Monday. Bye for now.